Have you ever wondered what it feels like to walk in the clouds? Let me take you on a journey to a place that even most seasoned travelers haven't discovered yet. Meghalaya, the heart of India's monsoon magic. Now picture this. It's early morning and you're in a tiny village perched high above the valleys, where the clouds roll in like waves, swallowing up the landscape until everything looks like a painting splashed in soft whites and greens. This is Meghalaya, often called Asia's cleanest village, but honestly that's just the beginning. During the monsoon, Meghalaya transforms. The hills are so lush it feels like nature just turned up the saturation dial. Every leaf glistens, every root bridge gets slick and alive, and waterfalls? Oh man, they roar louder than city traffic, dropping off cliffs, tumbling through forests and weaving stories through the mist. I remember my first step onto one of those living root bridges. My shoes squished in the mud and the bridge felt alive, like it was breathing with the rain. Every footstep was a reminder that here, humans and nature are in sync. Bridges made by twisting roots over decades, all for villagers to cross rivers swollen by the monsoon. But the real secret? The clouds. You're literally above them. Imagine sitting on a bamboo porch, sipping fresh tea, and watching a sea of clouds drift beneath your feet. It's peaceful, it's surreal, and it almost feels like you're floating. The villagers call it the abode of clouds, and honestly, that's the perfect name. Monsoon here isn't just rain, it's a celebration. Kids play in puddles, farmers work in their fields with huge grins, and everyone seems to slow down and soak in the moment. The air smells like earth and wildflowers, and every meal is rich with fresh ginger, bamboo shoots, and spicy chutney. And the best part? Few tourists. It's just you, the locals, and nature at its wildest. It's a world away from the noise and scramble of big cities. So, if you're craving something different this monsoon, pack your raincoat and your sense of wonder. Meghalaya's hidden villages are waiting to show you a side of India that's nothing short of magical. This isn't just a monsoon destination, it's a paradise above the clouds. Ready for your next adventure? I guarantee you'll never look at the rain the same way again.